Hello guys, it's Gabe from Orion here, and in today's workshop I'm going to break down each and every single component that comes inside the Orion Amplifier installation kits. The Orion Amplifier installation kits will bring you all the components needed to install an amplifier. It will depend on the power, the length, and where you're going to locate that amplifier. But today we're going to focus on the 4-gauge OFC installation kit. So, power wire. Remember, this is the lifeline of your amplifiers, and Orion knows this. So we're providing oxygen-free copper wire with a true gauge on every size. In this case, this is the 4-gauge. As you see, it has a thick jacket to protect your system. And on the other end, it will have a pre-terminated terminal. So this will allow you to connect it directly to your battery, ensuring you have power going from your battery to your amplifiers with no bottlenecks at all times. Ground wire. Remembering, ground will complete your circuit. So Orion actually wants you to keep your circuit protected, and it will give you the same gauge of wire and with the same oxygen-free copper one. In this case, it's the same thick jacket and terminator on one side. This will allow you to connect your amplifier to any part you need on your car, allowing the ground to be as safe as the power one. So interconnect. Taking the signal from your head unit to your amplifier is important, and we allow you to do this using our interconnect wires. In this case, OFC wire as well, with a 15 feet length interconnect RCA wire inside your kit. The remote turn on wire. This is a big job for a simple and tiny wire. We're giving you 15 feet of length of this 18 gauge wire to allow you to let the amplifier knows when to turn on and when to turn off, not drawing the battery from its power. The fuse holder and fuse. Remember, this is your insurance policy for your vehicle. Orion will include inside every kit an Orion fuse holder with its fuse. As you can see, it comes already fused. This will allow you to protect your vehicle from any shortage, overload, or short circuit inside your car. Speaker cable. We'll also include you 20 feet of speaker cable to allow you to connect the amplifier to the speakers you're going to power on your system. Accessories. Orion thought about the little things too, and we're including in the kits grommets, zip ties, little terminals, and protective sleeves. This will allow you to run your cables through safety places inside your car. And that's a wrap for today's workshop. We have break down every single piece that is included in the installation kits from Orion. So whenever you're going to install an amplifier, choose Orion Amplifier Installation Kits. If you want to know more about our accessories, log on to orioncarradio.com.